Welcome to the channel, everybody. Just a short little video, just in case you don't know. Changing the spark plugs on my 2007 ST1300. You gotta get the fairing off to do this. Once you have the fairing off, this cover sits here. There's a peg here, goes in that grommet. You just have to pull it out. And when you pull it out, there's two hooks there on this cover. The hook here, just pull it out, slide it out a little bit, comes right off. Your spark plugs are here. There's one spark plug, two spark plug. I'm putting this one in. I gotta torque it down. The torque on it is 16 nanometers or about 11.8 foot-pounds. It's got to torque that. Got my torque wrench here, handy dandy. And here's the plug I'm using. Spark plug. So there you go. That's the spark plug I'm using. I don't know what that says, but oh, look there, California. All right, so do this on both sides. Pull one out, torque it down. Oh, and by the way, the gap tool, metrics on the back for millimeters, it has to be between 0.8 and 0.9 millimeters. So if you set in this, don't use these numbers, use these numbers. All right, there's my first one. Gonna torque it down and do the other three. Short little video, thought it'd help. Hit like and subscribe. Changing my spark plugs on a 2007 Honda ST1300. All right, we're gonna ride tomorrow.